Seeing ashes in a dream. Ashes in a dream. Ashes represent unlawful money, or they could mean burns. Ashes in a dream are also interpreted to mean money one will receive from someone in authority or directly from the government. Seeing ashes then mean difficulties or toiling for no benefit in the service of a person in authority. Ashes in a dream also mean vain talk or a knowledge one cannot benefit from. If one sees himself carrying a container filled with ashes in a dream, it means that he is engaged in falsehood, backbiting, or in acquiring useless knowledge. If one sees himself blowing air into cold ashes in a dream, it means that he will engage in futile undertaking. Ashes in a dream also denote sadness, sorrows, or heedlessness. Ashes in a dream also mean quelling the fire of war, suppressing upheaval, or attaining peace. Ashes which are collected from baking in a dream represent charity or curiosity.